nga lang ako nasasayangan, nangihinayang, nakafrustrate. Pero sabi ko nga alam mo, ganito ang sistema natin, pinakamataas na hukuman to follow. No choice but to follow. But sabi ko nga, meron mga napupulatin niya pa dati. Sunod na tayo ngayon, wala na tayo magagawa Korte Suprema na natin. Pero sabi ko nga siguro, after the elections, we'll have to work out something. Yung akin dyan, Supreme Court decisions, maski naman, ginamit ko yung wording ko baka makontempt lang ako. Pero sabi ko, kung nag-flip-flop ang Supreme Court mismo, pabago-bago kanila, kami pabago-bago rin. Hindi rin naman kami consistent Pero kami hindi bale, 300 yung review namin Talagang tingin ko, hindi naman kami consistent. Pero even the 300, it went down to 80, 83, 84. Talaga namang sinagad na namin. With that, in all the pending cases, so pending bills on party list amendments, ako, kailangan natin a total overhaul of the entire system. I think we should come out, not constitutional amendments. Ang depekto naman, hindi naman sa Constitution. Ang depekto sa akin is the law itself, the existing law on party list. Ang daming interpretasyon. Now, if we consider the Supreme Court decisions, tapos yung mga various bills proposed, mag-revision tayo total, come out with something before the 2016, we'll have a very good party list system in 2013. I still strongly believe the marginalized and underrepresented should be the key. Otherwise, walang kwenta naman yung sasali mo na naman ng mga politicians. Ito, para sinabi ng Supreme Court, at least my reading is that pag political party ka, okay ka na. It does not matter whether you are marginalized, whether you are underrepresented. Hindi nawala na yung very essence of the party system where the socially vulnerable people will be the one represented there.
Chairman, anong sagot niyo doon sa mga nagkasabi na yung intent talaga ng framers of the Constitution ay to open it to a plurality of political parties, sectors, not really marginalized?
Ako, hindi ako maniwala ng ganun intention. Kasi binasa na Di ba nandito sa amin si Commissioner Sarmiento? He was a member of the Constitutional Commission. Maliwanag yun na while we adopted the European system, which means kasama ang political parties, pero the political parties, linagyan natin ng sinabi ka niya, may Philippine flavor yan. Lagyan mo ng marginalized para hindi pareho ng sa Europe. Totally political. Wala na yung mga marginalized and underrepresented. Hindi ganun. Kaya from the very beginning, ang concept ko ng party list is sectoral. Sectoral of those who are underrepresented. And kaya hindi natin pinayagan yung mga major political parties. Di ba? Decision ng Supreme Court yun. Kasi overrepresented na sila sa Kongreso. Yun lang mga minor, yung mga maliliit na political parties ang pinayagan natin. But even then, we still allow them only if they are representing a certain sector, marginalized. Ngayon, lumaki na Nagkaroon kami ng away dito noon, yung advocacy as against sectoral or marginalized. Ngayon, kasama rin ang advocacy. Anti-terrorism, anti-drugs, anti-environment. Ibig sabihin, hindi marginalized ito. Pero meron silang sariling advocacy, pwede na rin. So we've expanded the party list system na naging, in effect, inopen na nga natin ng todo-todo. Pwede na lahat. Political parties, advocacies, marginalized. Kawawa naman yung marginalized. Hindi ba yan ang hirap na hirap kumampanya? Dahil wala nga sila mga pera. Wala sila pang gastos. Ilalaban mo sila doon sa mga political parties.